One pink thing from each drawer. Let's find out. Stress balls. There's a pink cat right on top. Animals. I have this pink butterfly. Food. Do I have any pink food? Huh. Pink pear. Pink perfume right on top here. Pink Orbeez stress ball. I don't have any pink in here, so I already lose, but let's see if I have pink in every other drawer. Pink putty. Pink noodle. Pink putty. I mean slime. Pink mochi. Pink mini poppet. Pink whatever this is, hard shell poppet. Come back. Pink bow. Pink marble mesh. I don't have a pink one of those. Or a pair. Pink magnets. And pink fidget ring. So you win, but that one was fun. Thanks. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Pink slime. I think this one sold out, but I'm not sure, so check on my shop. Anyway, thanks.